Hi, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change the PHP version of your WordPress website. Let's come to the computer screen. Actually, for changing the PHP version of your website, you have to log into your cpanel. For this, just type the domain name here and /cpanel. Enter. Here we go. Put the username and password of your control panel. Login. Here we go. Now you have to find an option of PHP version here. Select PHP version. Just click here. Here we go. Current PHP version is here 7.4. You can change it to any required version, but make sure that all of your plugins are compatible with that version of PHP. The job done. Keep watching the next videos.